Hey guys, so I got a really cool science experiment here for y'all today. It is an experiment about buoyancy. Buoyancy means things that float on water, okay? So what you're going to need are 2 glasses of water and an unpeeled orange and a peeled orange, okay? So I'm taking a look at both of them and I'm kind of feeling them in my hand. I'm like, well, my unpeeled one is a little bit heavier. I'm suspecting that's probably it's got the peel on it, probably because it's got the peel on it still. And this one feels a little bit lighter. But I also noticed that looking at this one's got a little bit more holes in it. It's got a lot more crevices than this one does. So I want y'all to think about it, okay, and make your predictions. Which one do you think is going to sink? And which one do you think is going to float? Do you think the peeled one's going to sink? Or do you think it's going to float? Do you think the unpeeled one's going to sink? Or do you think it's going to float? Let's see and find out, huh? So I got my 2 glasses of water and they're just about the same height. So I'm going to go ahead and put them both in here at the same time. Ah, interesting. So even though this one was lighter in weight, it still sank. And this one that's heavier floated. That's an interesting query, huh? So why do you think that happened? Well, I'll tell you why. Because have you ever wondered why, like, something as big as have y'all ever wondered why something as big as a boat can float above the water and something as small as a rock can sink to the bottom? Well, for one thing, buoyancy needs more space to spread out, okay? And so ships, like boats, they have a wider they have more space on them. So something as small as a rock can easily sink to the bottom. Plus, on top of that, the boat has air inside of it, right, to kind of help it stay afloat, which is kind of like what's happening with this orange here. Because like this one, remember I had him peeled it, and I was saying there's a bunch of holes in it. Well, this one, he's got holes in him too, but since he's not peeled, he's protected, and so he can still float. Whereas this guy, he's completely exposed, so all the water traveled into his little crevices and holes and he sank to the bottom. Anyways, I want y'all to try that experiment at home and see if it works the same way for y'all. And please share with me about your thoughts and ideas about buoyancy and why, and maybe some different ideas as to why it sank or floated. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Remember the class rules. Love yourself, love others. I send all my love to y'all, and I hope to see y'all very soon. Bye.